Okay. You're gonna be handcuffed behind your back, so you are under arrest. Okay?
Can I call my daughter?
Not right now.
Oh my God!
Lisa, stop. Lisa.
Oh my God!
Lisa.
Oh my God! Oh my.
On the 26th of May, 2026, what began as a routine traffic stop over a license plate violation quickly took an unexpected turn. Officers were checking Lisa's information when they discovered an active warrant for her arrest. What follows is a body cam encounter that moves from a simple traffic stop.
The reason I pulled you over is you can't have your license plate like that, and you don't have a front plate.
Oh, okay.
Do you have your license and insurance?
No.
Okay, do you have an ID?
No.
Okay, what's your name?
I don't know, but I'm recording this.
That's fine.
You seem pretty rude.
Okay.
All right. Okay, why can't I have my license plate like that? I've been pulled over so many times.
Okay.
That one cop
Number one,
like
you don't have a front license plate. Number two, your license plate is bent.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I see the guidelines where it says your license plate is not on, right?
So you need to have one affixed to the front of the car and one affixed to the rear of the car.
How come I've been pulled over millions of times and no one's ever said that?
Well, you're in Carpentersville, ma'am. So do you have your license?
Different rules.
Okay. Do you have your license and insurance?
Is this private property? I mean, can you really pull me over here? This isn't a parking lot.
Okay. Do you have your license and insurance?
I'm asking you a question. Can
Yes.
you really pull me over
How
here?
many times do I have to ask
This
you for
isn't
your
a parking
license?
lot?
So are you refusing to ID yourself?
That's not a parking lot. This road that you were driving on?
It's a public road, by the way, but keep going.
What is your problem?
Okay, I need to see your license and insurance. This is the 5th time I've asked you.
I'm asking questions. That's
Okay.
all I'm doing.
Yes.
You're
Now-
wasting my time.
Okay.
I get to waste your time.
Okay.
Okay?
That's fine. Are
All
you
right.
refusing to ID yourself? That's all I need.
I don't have a driver's license with me.
Okay, do you have any ID on it?
Like-
Do you have anything with your name and date of birth on it?
Yeah, I'm going to show you my driver's license.
Thank you.
I know my number by heart, too.
What follows isn't really a disagreement about a bent license plate. It's two competing ideas about what this stop is even about. One side treating it as a routine equipment check, the other treating it as something that has to be justified, argued, and proven before any cooperation begins.
Got it. Okay, do you have insurance on this car?
Yeah.
Thank you. 122.27 by 5.
have it on me, though.
I like the car and the stickers.
I never bent that license plate. I think someone did it.
Why, out of like hate or?
I never had it bent. I mean, the stupid thing keeps breaking off in the car washes.
Okay.
Instead
And then,
of buying the new things.
is
on
there a
it.
reason why you don't have a front plate?
I just never. No, I just never.
I know they come with two, so that's why.
And no one's ever said I needed a plate.
Gotcha.
Auto policy is all set.
Okay. Were you trying to log into the app?
Yeah, but I mean, I just
Any
got a new
issues?
phone. I don't know.
Yeah,
Well, I hate the password thing. It sucks.
I know.
Oh my gosh. And I get, of course, it gives you 4 phones. Because if you get 4, you get more. Cheaper. And then it's like Diet Coke sales. And then, yeah, I have one for the internet and one for this. And I'm supposedly saving money. Who knows? But, okay, so this one says my auto is all set. I know I used to, and then I cleaned out my glove box, and that's when I.
Every minute spent here is procedural, not adversarial. An officer scrolling through someone's phone to help locate proof of insurance isn't something the law requires. It's simple courtesy. That detail is worth remembering, because the tone of this stop is only a few minutes away from changing completely.
I think that I have 3 emails because he kept taking my emails away from me. I think that's what it's all screwed up. Oh, this is lovely. That looks like it. Okay, here, I'm gonna do this one. If I do this, is it? Yay! Yeah.
Okay.
5/22/26. Oh. Ah, that's not a policy. I don't think that one was either. I think it expired and I don't know why the SRT thing happens. Maybe because it never. Okay, is it open?
There we go.
There we go. I haven't been to Carpentersville in so long. I didn't even know they did this.
Yeah, they did it last year, I
That's
think.
what my daughter said.
Yeah.
We just came
Yeah.
from Malgan. Yeah. Like, oh my god, it's so weird.
Yeah.
What are they gonna build here?
I have no idea. I think they're talking about building the West End PD over here somewhere.
Oh, okay. It's a
but-
lot of space.
Yeah, they can build anything.
Yeah. Chicago football game.
I know.
That would be awesome, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, right to them suggest it.
I know, they're really pissed about it going to Indiana.
I know. Are they actually doing that for real? Or is it still...
For the next few minutes, this stops looking like a police encounter at all. It's just two strangers talking. That shift is worth noticing, because none of this friendliness will factor into what happens next. It's simply the last stretch of the video where it doesn't.
Whatsoever. So that would have to go away if the bears are coming in.
Right.
Yeah, you can't have that and that. No one would be on time for court, you know?
Hey Lisa, I hate to bear the bad news. You have a warrant for your arrest out of DuPage County, okay? They hold a valid warrant with no bond, okay? So I do need you to step out. You will be placed under arrest, okay? So at this point in time, you are under arrest, so please just comply with us. I'd like you to step out. You're going to be handcuffed. One of these nice female officers, okay? So you are under arrest for a warrant, okay? So please step out.
I've never got any information on it.
Okay, well, DuPage just holds a valid warrant, okay? So please step out of the car, okay?
For what?
So I will have to say, by policy, if you do not step out of the car, we will use force, okay? So please just step out of the car so I can place you under arrest, okay? So you are under arrest at this moment.
And then what happens now?
You're going to go down to DuPage County.
Are you freaking kidding?
Yeah. So please step out of the car, okay?
And then I'm going to be in a jail cell?
I don't know. This is not DuPage, this is King. So please step out of the car. I'm begging you, please step out of the car.
I have to lock up my car.
Okay, we will lock it up, but right now I need you to I need you to step. Lisa?
I'm getting my money.
You don't need your money then.
Well,
it's a no bond warrant. You're not gonna have it, okay? Leave your money in there, okay? You're gonna have your keys. We're gonna lock your car. Okay. You're gonna be handcuffed behind your back, so you are under arrest. Okay.
Can I call my daughter?
Not right now.
I'll hold on to that
Not
stuff
right now.
for you until...
You can call them at the PD, okay? I promise.
But that's like an hour
Okay.
drive.
Can you get her, please? Thank you.
Siri. Let's take it off the pause. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, DuPage County holds a valid warrant, okay?
For what?
I did it a little high. Is that too high for you or are you good? Because I'm trying to watch for your watch, okay?
Oh my god. Can you take a picture of this?
It's all recorded on all body cams right now.
122. I have a J595.
Unbelievable.
Okay. Can one of you guys search her, please? I'll take that.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
What did I do?
Are you okay if one of the officers parks your car in a legal parking spot? Because this is not a legal parking
Yeah,
spot.
that's fine. Yes.
Okay. Do you need your wallet? Do you have your...
Are you kidding me? This hurts.
Alright, well...
This hurts. I have done nothing to break a law.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what the
I can. You see, I can fit a whole finger. You see this?
I didn't do anything.
Okay. All right.
All right, Lisa, this officer's going to do a search
Oh,
on
I
you.
can't wait for this to go on the media.
This is the moment the legal character of the entire stop changes. Everything before this point was about a license plate. Everything that follows is about a warrant that has nothing to do with one, and about how quickly a routine encounter can turn into something far more serious.
I need you to relax.
Oh my God!
Lisa?
Get this thing off of me! You have no idea what this feels like.
Okay. Just search it right
Get
here.
the sheriff.
Search
I
it
want
right
the
here.
sheriff on right now. This better be recorded. All of this.
This is recorded.
Can you get that side window?
No,
down?
I've tried that before, and the videos
recorded.
all of a sudden went away.
It's recorded. Okay?
Yeah, right. He did go away.
It's recorded.
No,
Stop.
I am not doing anything. It hurts right now.
Stop tensing up, okay?
I'm not even moving.
Yes, you just
Oh
moved.
my God! Oh my God! Get the thing off of me!
Lisa,
I
relax.
swear to God, it f***ing hurts.
Okay, Lisa, stop.
Are you f***ing kidding me?
Lisa.
I am not driving an hour like this.
It's not an hour. We're going to the Carpentersville Police Department.
Oh my God!
Lisa, stop. Lisa. Lisa.
Ah! Oh my God! Get this off of me! Oh my God! I don't f***ing give a
All right.
shit. Get this thing loose. Get it loose right now. I swear to God. I swear to God, I will do the shit out of you. Oh my God! Oh my God!
All good?
I'm
All right, can
not
we put her in
even
the car now?
moving.
Actually, no. I'm going to put the window down. That's probably a better idea. Is it not starting? Okay, hey Lisa.
I
You're
keep breathing here. It's so hot.
okay.
Are you f***ing kidding me? It's so hot in here.
So your car's not starting. Is there a way to start it or no?
Can you open the door? Oh,
Put it in neutral. Push it.
Yeah, we could find. Okay, the door's open now.
what is wrong with you people?
Okay.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Well, we're not doing this, okay?
This case turns on two separate legal moments that get treated as one: a routine equipment stop and an arrest that had nothing to do with it. The stop itself only needs one thing to be lawful: an objective legal basis, regardless of what the officer was actually thinking. That's the rule from Whren versus United States 1996. Even a pretextual stop is valid as long as a real traffic violation exists. The footage shows officers citing a bent, improperly displayed plate and a missing front plate as that basis. What the footage does not show is any indication the stop was made for a different, undisclosed reason. Once the warrant surfaced, the analysis shifts entirely. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 2001, settled this: a full custodial arrest is permitted even for a minor, fine-only offense. The Fourth Amendment doesn't require officers to issue a citation instead. Here, officers stated on camera that DuPage County held an active, no-bond warrant. The footage confirms the warrant was communicated to her before the arrest began. It does not show the underlying case file behind that warrant. According to the case information available, Lisa is reported to face charges of driving while license suspended and operating a vehicle with registration. These are allegations, not a finding of guilt. An arrest and a charge are not a conviction, and nothing in this footage determines how a court will ultimately rule. Before any force was used, officers gave repeated verbal warnings that sequence matters directly under Graham v. Connor, 1989, which judges reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the time, weighs the severity of the offense, any immediate threat, and whether the subject was resisting. Once restrained, the legal question shifts again from whether force was justified to make the arrest, to whether continued restraint stays objectively reasonable. That standard comes from Kingsley v. Hendrickson, 2015. Separately, both sides can be heard confirming the interaction was being recorded on multiple phones. Recording police performing public duties is generally protected activity under the First Amendment, though specific rules on distance and interference vary by state. Situation like this one. Lesson 1. A lawful stop only needs an objective legal basis. The officer's underlying reason for making it doesn't affect its validity. Lesson 2. A minor breach can still lead to a full custodial arrest. If an independent warrant exists, the law doesn't require a citation just because the traffic violation itself is small. Lesson 3. Verbal warnings before force strengthen the legal record they show. Compliance was requested and refused before anything physically happened. Lesson 4. Reasonableness of force has to be re-evaluated continuously through an encounter, not assumed once an arrest begins. A mandatory tow on a misdemeanor arrest is legal and enforceable. There is no negotiation happening at the scene. Charges are alleged, not a finding of guilt, and nothing here implies a conclusion about guilt or innocence. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to our In Why channel and drop the case you want us to cover next in the comments.